This is a simple representation to show a correlation between the site and building. The video shows where the building sits on the site, together with its hard and soft landscapes. The building is a simple 3-bedroom residence which sits comfortably on a site of size 24 by 21 meters. The area of the site is 504 square meters. The building has a size of 10 by 14 meters, hence an area of 140 square meters. Due to the size of the building, the open space of width 7 meters has been created at the front of the building to allow for parking of more than 2 cars. This is the entry point to the residence as well. There's a rear open space of width 3 meters at the back of the residence. This can be used for outdoor kitchen activities, and drying lines can be erected here too. There are side open spaces of width 7.6 meters at the left side and 3 meters at the right side of the building. These make provision for greenery, walkways and other services. According to building standards, the rear and side open spaces should have widths of not less than 3 meters. The front open space should also be larger enough to accommodate cars. Thanks so much for watching till the end. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and comment. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.